Good morning, guys. I just dropped, well, not dropped, I dropped the younger boys, which was kind of a mess because Emmett has been having a little bit of a hard time getting dropped off this year. I thought he would be fine for his second year of preschool because his first year he did fine, but his first year he had Eli with him, and now that he doesn't have Eli with him, he is very sad about going. He had fun his first day. He said he loved it. He made friends, etc. And then he just struggled to go off again. So that was kind of sucky because I just felt so bad. You know, it never feels good when they don't want to go and separate, but then his teacher texted me and said he was doing great. Happy about that. So him and Easton are at the same school. Eller and Eli got on the bus together, went to school. I quickly got myself ready. Then I went to Dunkin' and got a large iced coffee with caramel and cream, caramel swirl and cream. So good. That is my Dunkin' order, and it's been like my go-to. But I thought I would just bring you guys along with me today on whatever I do while the kids are all in school. It's going to hopefully be a productive day, but also some things that I want to do for myself. I got my hair done one of the last days that I had to myself, and then because I hadn't had that done in like 6 months. I haven't had a pedicure in about 6 months either, and my feet just feel crusty. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna run in Target really quick. I have a return for some shirts that did not fit Emmett and Easton, and I need some stuff from Walmart as well. I've tried placing a Walmart delivery order 2 days in a row and it did not come. I was getting Walmart deliveries every week, like every single week, and then now they just like haven't had drivers. I don't know what the whole situation's been, but they've just kept getting delayed and I haven't been getting them. So I also need to get some groceries, drinks. We're really low on things like that. So I thought I'd just bring you guys along in a little productive full day in the life kind of situation and see what we get done. And also, like I said, I like to use these days to work, get things done, but also do things for myself that I know are going to make me feel better and like fill my cup as a mom, because it just makes me feel better. So I try to have a good balance of both, but it's just hard because I swear I could have just a few days straight and I would have things to do all of those days because there's just, my mind just like runs wild. Like, should I do this? Should I do this? So we're just gonna get to it. So when I was in there, I decided to just kind of go all out and do my nails too. I do not ever get my nails done because I don't like having to like redo them, but I kind of wanted to just paint them black, and then the thought of having them chip in like 2 seconds, I did not want to do that. Just go all black on my nails, and I did dip, and they just added like a tiny bit to my nail. But I'm obsessed with the look of them being black, especially like for fall, and I feel like it's just like, rawr. I just got back, and I'm kind of regretting doing my nails like this, to be very honest. I love the look of them, but I know they're like really short and they just added a tiny bit, but the fact that there's like something on it is bothering me so bad. So we'll see if I either am there Monday, the next time I have to soak them off, or if I get used to them. I'm hoping I get used to them. You guys know me, I'm always going, always doing things, and I don't like to have something that's like, I don't know, annoying. So just got back from Walmart and I got a ton of stuff. So I need to unload all of this, get it all put away, do all of those things before the kids get home, which they get home in about an hour. It should give me just enough time to get it all put away, organized. I'm also gonna film a haul for you guys, and yeah, I got a lot more than I expected. I just unpacked all these groceries, and there's groceries everywhere. I probably could call this a drink and junk food / school food haul. I did kind of go a little crazy, but this was the first time that I'd been in stores since school started. We are going through snacks like crazy. The kids have friends over. I'm not even gonna explain it. If you get mad about junk food, just skip past this part. My kids they one time substituted these for us, and they're so cheap. They're the great value ones, and my kids actually love these ones more, so picked up those. I also picked up a little treat for all the kids, a Kinder Egg, and I got Ellery, since she's a little bit older, these Icebreaker Sours. I've been really hungry for peanut butter and jelly lately. No idea why, it's so random. So I got jelly and then stuff to make that. Blueberry muffins, I thought Easton or Emmett could eat those on like a quick morning. And then I thought I could pack like one of these in the kids' lunchbox. They'll probably just eat them all, but I thought they would be cute to pack in like one of the small lunch slots. Let me know if lunch stuff is stuff you guys want me to share on my channel, because I could do that. Then I saw these, and they are called Fruit Friends. I don't know, they're marketed as healthy at least. They say that they have like a well immune thing. I don't know. The boys are gonna love them because they're Spider-Man most likely. I got these for Ellery. She hasn't had them in a long time. We got a ton of drinks. Cheez-It things. These my kids love. I've been hungry for chips and queso, so I did get that. Some Fruit Loops, that is Eli's favorite cereal. The kids all love those chips. And so many snacks. We got some apples, some ice cream, just because I wanted to have some at the house for if we want to have some. And then I got these for myself to put on vanilla ice cream because it looked so good. Queso, I got another one of these because the kids also love queso. And your girl's been craving it. Some Parmesan cheese because Ellery brings cheese tortellini and she uses that every day. I saw these and I wanted to try them. So part of this was a result of me also going to the grocery store hungry. Sweet Southern Heat Barbecue. Never tried those and they looked good. Good old veggie straws. I got the boys some Kit Kats because they love those. I got 2 things of these because Eli will bring ham and cheese roll-ups sometimes, and then I also want to make enchiladas. I got some peanut butter, 3 things of those donuts. I'm not sure where the rest are. I got random Lunchables. I got these because I love them for when it's hot out. It's just like a sparkling water. I've tried the peach and I wanted to try the blue raspberry because I really like raspberry stuff, blue raspberry stuff. Thing of almond milk. You guys, I'm literally out of breath because that was so much like unloading and loading everything. Cheez-Its. Here are those other donuts. We got these. I'm obsessed with these and I'm not gonna lie, I bought this box just for those. And then these again were something that just looked really good to me. Ellery's cheese tortellini. Do people like not know what cheese tortellini is? This is like, I'm not even trying to sound mean, but I was so confused when I put cheese tortellini and Ellery's lunch on Instagram and everyone was like, what are those? What are those? Are they crab rangoons? Maybe they just looked like it, but they are just cheese tortellini. And she has them every day in her lunch with butter or olive oil and Parmesan. Some more Lunchables, pretzels the kids love. I got some chicken, some little chip clips randomly because we just don't have any. Some more of that. Ellery loves this in her lunch as well as she loves these. I also got these just because I thought it'd be nice to, or fun to surprise the kids with them in their lunch one day. Some ground beef, some ham for Eli's ham roll-up, some strawberries. Eli loves strawberries in his lunch every day and they just, I don't know, they demolish strawberries. My bread, which got a little wrecked. I got another thing of that queso. They put these out and my kids are obsessed. We got some apple juice, ramen, and more of those peach drinks. And then out here, we got so many drinks and I am not a drinker. I always share that I like don't drink and I have not in a long time, but I saw these and they just looked really good. I'm a really big sour drinker, like of energy drinks, stuff like that. So I saw these and I was like, I'll have one of these tonight and try it. We got some 7-Up, some Cherry Coke Zero, some water, tons of drinks, root beer, Dr. Pepper Zero Cherry, and more Gatorade because I'm going to load up this drink fridge. This drink fridge is looking so sad. I need to take those pizza boxes out because they are old and redo this situation. The lines at Walmart were something else, so that did take a while, and I'm gonna go ahead and load up this drink fridge because their bus does drop off. Ellery and Eli drops off on our driveway, so that's nice because I'll be able to load up this drink fridge, and then we can go get the younger 2 at their preschool.
On my mind and I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all, I'm being honest. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Can't along side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do,
Now that is a drink fridge. We got all the stocks stocked up. We got some kiddie drinks, some adult drinks, some soda.
Love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything. Look at me go. Oh, mellow.
I know I got way too many snacks, but I always say this. I do not mind at all being the house with all the snacks, and when my kids' friends come over, they're always excited about all the snacks we have, and with packing school lunches, etc. We do have 4 kids, and they do go pretty quickly, and I just love getting stocked up when I do go to the store.
He make me feel like the type of fire that burns from within, shining like I'm made of gold. I shine, it's true. He's making me jump from high ground, keeps catching me every time I fall, you got me safe and sound, safe and sound. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Dance along side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do.
My boys are going to go wild over this, but how cute is this? I believe I found this at Home Goods, and I just put those in there.
He got mad love, he got mad love, he got mad love.
This is usually the most stressful part of my night, is right around bedtime, putting all the kids to bed by myself and just getting everything done and just knowing everything that I have to do before the end of my night and all of the cleaning up that I usually have to do. Tonight it was pretty messy, and so I was just kind of showing you guys me doing that, but I do feel like I've gotten a really good routine down with the kids' school and kind of like my bedtime routine slash everything I do to get ready for the next school day. So let me know if that is something, maybe I could film that a little more vlog style and share some of the things that I do and just what has worked for me. I feel like I have finally gotten into a really good routine. It's been going smoother. Of course, it's still chaos, but it has been going smooth, and I thought I was gonna forget everything, but I have not been so far. So it's been going pretty well. Much better than I expected anyways. And I desperately still need to order a silverware tray for my drawer. This drawer is looking super rough, but I was just quickly putting away all the dishes and putting their lunch things in there. Let me know, I think I said this already in this video, if you guys want to see school lunches. I personally love seeing what people pack. And then I was just showing you guys the house all cleaned up, and then I was making some dinner for myself, just quickly throwing together some enchiladas, how I always do it, just tortillas. This was ground beef that I seasoned with taco seasoning, and I cooked it a little bit earlier while I was cooking things on the stove already for the kids' dinner. And I did decide to throw some queso in the bottom of those tortillas, and I actually absolutely loved how that switched things up. And then I did really quickly just want to share with you guys what I packed for Ellery's lunch on one of the days. She's been bringing some cheese tortellini, and I did pack her some apples and then just a few snacks. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in another one very soon. Bye, guys.